Hi, I'm Callie. This is my melting range video for Fundamental Skills 2. So here I'm setting the DigiMelt to start at 73 degrees Celsius, below the expected so we don't miss the first liquid. I'm ending it at 175 degrees Celsius and using a 2 degrees Celsius per minute ramp rate to give a more accurate melting range. And so now this is what a packed capillary tube looks like. It's about 3 millimeters. To initially pack the capillary tube, I'm using the open end to tap and pick up the powder. I'm then going to use the tube tapper on the DigiMelt to make sure that the solid is compact and settles at the very bottom of the tube. Loose packing can cause uneven heating and mess with the melting ranges. So I'm looking through the DigiMelt window. This is the start of the melting range when we start to see liquids start to form around the edges, or the edge of the tube looks a little glossy. For the samples on the left and right, this is the end of the melting range. The sample is completely liquid and there's no solid particles left. The left and middle samples look like a mixture because the melting range was broader and started melting lower and finished higher, while the one on the right had a narrower melting range with a sharp transition, so the one on the right is a pure compound. Mixtures or impurities disrupt the crystal lattice, so the melting point is usually depressed and the melting range becomes broader. Melting point samples cannot be reused after melting because they may decompose or pick up contamination, so the used capillary tubes go into the broken glass container.